Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on VIVO X300. Let's begin! First, you want to simply expand the control center and check the second icon, which is there by default. If you make sure that this is disabled, then if we head into any application that supports both modes, for example our calculator, we can see that no matter how many times we'll try, our screen won't rotate either direction. However, if you would expand the control center once more time and then make sure that this is enabled, we can see that now, well, it still doesn't work because I missed the button. Now everything is working without any issues whatsoever. However, there is still a slightly chance that you might have some hidden bugs, and in order to clean your phone from any bugs like this, you can just simply turn off your device, and you can do that by pressing and holding the power button. But of course, power button alone nowadays will enable you the AI assistant, which is not something we want. Instead, you want to go and press power button and volume down button at the same time, if I believe. Or power button and volume up button, because yeah, it's volume up button, sorry. It's always something different. And then you can just restart your device like this, because whenever we reboot our device, we ain't only rebooting the software but hardware as well, including the gyroscope, which is responsible for screen rotation. And while my Vivo here is restarting, I can also tell you about one more thing only. And it is the fact that not every application actually supports both portrait and landscape mode, and I believe that the best example for this are of course the games. For example, we have our typical Clash Royale, which can only be played in the portrait mode, which is this one. But then you have games like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile or whatever, and they can only be played in this landscape mode. So once again, make sure that you have the auto brightness enabled, and yeah, you are good to go. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!